easily in your reach. Thank you.
Go. Woo. Woo. Make it. Everybody sing. Yay. We'll see you later, okay?
We're on our way now to Firestone Station. That's at the main gate. Smith Street Depot is one of the original 28 buildings in Greenfield Village when we opened October 21st of 1929. It's an authentic train depot. Comes to us from Smith Street, Michigan, about 60 miles north of here, just outside of Port Huron. Across from Smith Street is Edison Illuminating Company, where Thomas Edison created generators that help power portions of the city of Detroit. You can learn how Henry Ford became his chief engineer while still building that quadricycle. So the newest part of our village is the open-air building to the left, Detroit Central Marketplace, built in 1860 in downtown Detroit. The large brick building is the Detroit, Toledo, and Milwaukee Roundhouse, originally built in 1884 in Marshall, Michigan, about an hour and a half west of here. We salvaged what we could from that building, included in this one, and opened it up in 2000. We do all of our service, repair, and maintenance on our 3 coal-fired steam locomotives. The building is not open for a visit, but the big doors in front are open so you can see everything on the inside. The craft area is just beyond the trees and bushes on the other side of the roundhouse, and it's all open for your visitation. District will be on the right side. It's the Firestone Farm, built in 1828 in Columbiana County, Ohio. And childhood home of Harvey Firestone, originally from the Tire and Rubber Company. There you go, friend to him before. We're approaching the main gate, Firestone Station. If you choose to get off here, it's a short walk back to the farmhouse or over to Liberty Craft Works to watch the artisans work, or to the Model T loading dock. Please remain seated. Wait for the whistle from the engineer. Once you hear that whistle, then you can get up and exit on the right side lane. We'll be here for about 5 minutes and then depart for another round trip.
We're going to go all the way around.
Just a moment, please. Just a moment. It is safe now to exit.